Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Mr. Jaime with a new video. Just want to talk to you guys about XRP. If you guys don't know what that is, then you've come to the right place. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about what exactly XRP is, and kind of how what it originates, where it originates from, and some misconceptions a lot of people might have. So first of all, I got XRP open. Actually, my bad. I have Coin Market Cap open here, and XRP is in third place with the third highest Coin Market Cap, right behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. Current price is 0.31 cents, and as you can see, it's been going up over the last couple of days. It's about 8% in the last 24 hours. So, if you can, if you're interested in learning more about XRP, I suggest go to this website ripple.com/XRP. That's where I got most of my info, and I'm going to be talking about it today. So first kind of myth I want to dispel is a lot of people use Ripple and XRP interchangeably, and that is incorrect. They're two different things. Ripple is a company. Ripple's a company that what they really do is they sell software, banking software to banks around the world. They help facilitate bank transfers, domestic and cross-border, and they're pretty much a technology company that focuses in finance. And they do use XRP. They're one of the biggest promoters of XRP. Lots of the people who worked on the XRP ledger also work in Ripple, so that's why people get them confused all the time. One of the things that Ripple's most famous for is for their ODL, on-demand liquidity, which uses XRP as fuel. Um, Basically, what that means, on-demand liquidity, is exactly what it sounds like. You're able to get liquidity on demand as fast as possible, and XRP can help facilitate that to big banks. Because if you were to send, let's say, anything over $10,000 US to any other part of the world, um, it'd be very annoying. You'd have to go to a bank. You'd have to set up a wire. Most times that wire will take anywhere from 3 to 5 days, maybe longer if you're transferring that currency from USD to something else, whether it's Australian or the yen or any other currency. And not to mention there's glitches that can happen along the way because different banks use different softwares, and sometimes it's not a straight shot from one bank to another. Sometimes these banks need to find other banks that are affiliated with that bank, so you can see where it can get pretty messy. So on a daily basis, for a person, a regular person, might not be that big of a deal. You're not going to be sending huge payments like that across the country or to another country on an everyday basis. But these huge banks are sending millions and millions, even billions of dollars on a daily basis, cross border to other countries, to other banks, and the fees are high. The wait time is ridiculous. It's very annoying, and this is the problem XRP comes to solve. So I'm gonna read off the website here. By the way, the website is beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's pretty cool. So check it out when you get a chance. It says XRP, the best digital asset for global payments. XRP offers financial institutions the fastest, most reliable option for sourcing liquidity on demand. If you click on here, it talks a little bit about ODL. Let's go down here. So what exactly is XRP? So XRP is a digital asset similar to Bitcoin, similar to Ethereum. Um, a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. Yes, you heard right. It can settle payments from 3 to 5 seconds. Usually banks take anywhere from 3 to 5 days, while XRP can get it done in 3 to 5 seconds. How crazy is that? XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient um, instrument for bridging two different currencies quickly and effectively. So how is it used? It talks a little bit about how it's used. The RippleNet, let's see here, Xspring Initiative. So how exactly does it work? Ledger is maintained by independent participants of a global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. So basically, um, what happens is that there's a whole mess of validators around the world, and since there's no intermediary between any of these payments, that payment basically gets validated by all these computers, all these companies around the world. Here it says that, let's see, the ledger reaches census of all outstanding transactions every 3 to 5 seconds, at which point the new ledger is issued. Anyone can be a validator, and the active validators on the ledger today include universities, exchanges, and financial institutions. There are currently 36 validators around the world, and Ripple runs 6 of them, so about 16%. And anybody can be a validator. Actually, if you scroll down in the website, it teaches you how to be a validator. It even teaches you how to code and how to build on the XRP ledger. I mean, this thing is just as transparent as it comes. It's amazing. Not to mention the speed, the speed that it comes at. So here it says the benefits of XRP in payments. So payments move across XRP ledger and settle in 4 seconds. We heard that before, 3 to 5 seconds, 4 seconds. And here's compared to other cryptocurrencies, digital assets that are booming right now: Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. So look at this. Bitcoin, it has the biggest brand recognition in the cryptocurrency community right now, but it takes about an hour, 60 minutes. It takes about an hour for that payment to settle. And XRP takes 4 seconds. It's by far the fastest payment method. Not to mention the scalability. So XRP uh, can do 1,500 transactions per second. I think this is old. Okay, there we go. So 65,000 transactions per second as of July 15, 2019. That is incredible, guys. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, when we had that the Bitcoin pump in 2018, I believe, 2017. I know that lots of orders were not filled because Bitcoin could not take the transactions per second. Now, whether they fix that or not, I'm not sure. Ethereum is another one, only 15 transactions per second. That's extremely low when it's compared to the quantity that XRP can do per second. I mean, 65,000, that's an amazing amount of numbers to do, and at an amazing speed. It's just crazy. So here it talks about the validators, like we said before. Back there it said 36, but now it says 150,000 globally. So I guess they've had more people become validators over the time that's passed. Extremely eco-friendly, unlike um, Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin. Most of these coins are mined. XRP is not mined. The whole supply is already out there. It has an infinite supply. Um, so sorry, a finite supply, not infinite. Finite supply. And XRP and I'm sorry, Bitcoin and Ethereum, most of these cryptocurrencies are mined by these huge miners that have these enormous factories of just computers mining all day, and they're just plowing through all this energy and and all these resources to be able to mine these cryptocurrencies. And XRP doesn't have to do any of that. So again, here's some of the metrics. So settlement speed currently is 3.93 seconds and 92. Um, this is the transaction fee, which is, guys, this is basically free. It's 0.000037 cents. That's basically free. Transaction per second, 1,500. So yeah, it's extremely interesting. It just goes to show how versatile this cryptocurrency is, and a lot of people are sleeping on this um on this asset. It's so valuable. It can solve so many problems. And something, what really caught my attention about XRP is I've noticed I love history. I love to look into history, and I've noticed that every major thing that's propelled humanity into advancement has been not only solving a problem, but solving a problem quickly and saving time. So I'll put an example. The car revolutionized the engine, revolutionized how humanity works because now you can get to where you're going a lot faster. The plane, get to where you're going a lot faster. Um, the telephone, now you can communicate a lot faster. Internet, you can get your information at a blink of an eye. So all these things, look, Amazon's another great one. You don't have to go to the store anymore. And every time things like this you know have been discovered in humanity, it's just propelled humanity to do things faster, and whoever creates it tends to benefit off of it. I mean, Amazon right now, Jeff Bezos is the richest man on earth because he found out that people don't want to go to the stores anymore. People don't want to have to wait in line. They just want things delivered to them. Uber is another one. Uber found a way to make it easy and simple and fast for you to get from one place to another without having a car or having to hail a taxi cab. And look, they're benefiting from it. So I think XRP um, found that opportunity. They know that we have an extremely old financial system, um, and it's quite frankly, it's kind of ridiculous that we would have to wait 3 to 5 days for any type of bank payment to settle. I mean, we're living in a digital age, an age where everything is at our fingertips as soon as we ask for it. And I think XRP is gonna shake the world with the ability that they have to create fast payments, and it's gonna help the banking world. It's gonna help people in general. Not to mention, you don't need an intermediary. You don't need to go to Bank of America or Wells Fargo and say, hey, I want to make this payment. Um, you can just do it directly from one consumer to another. It's pretty amazing. Now, I mean, there's a lot more to be said. I'm gonna end the video here, but if you guys can, hop over to 99 Bitcoin's channel. He does a great job of explaining a little bit more in depth of how the XRP ledger works and what Ripple is. I'm gonna actually play a small clip from him right now.
Between two banks when they need to transfer money from one account to the other. In order for Bank A to send money to Bank B that it doesn't have any direct relationship with, more often than not, it will have to go through several intermediary banks, searching for common network connections between each other in order to clear a path for the money. That's why international wire transfers are so slow and costly. Each bank along the way takes time to process the transaction and a fee for servicing the process. In some cases, bank transfers must involve.
So yeah, go ahead and go over to his channel and check it out. And like he was saying, banks are going to benefit from this also because, maybe when you're sending $1,000 payment, a small, fee of $1 or, I don't know, 1%, 50, 0.50 of a percent, it's not a big deal to you. But when you're dealing in millions and billions of dollars, 0.50 of a percent can really start to add up. And the XRP is virtually free with the amount of transactions, I mean, the amount of payment that goes through it. Not to mention, every time it's used, an XRP is burnt, thereby making the supply get smaller every time it gets used and getting more valuable. It's pretty amazing, guys. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This was my first video, to be honest with you guys. I know I might have sounded a little uneasy and a little shaky, but if I brought any value to you, or you want to know something a little bit more about the XRP ledger and more on cryptocurrencies, please leave a comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'm definitely gonna be making a little bit more videos. Maybe I'll dive into depth on the XRP. Thank you, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.